Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cryptocurrency wallet with Coinbase step by step clearly. To build a cryptocurrency wallet with Coinbase, start by visiting the official Coinbase website. Create an account by clicking on the Get Started button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a strong password. After completing the initial form, agree to the terms and conditions. Check your email for a verification link and click it to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Coinbase account. Next, secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication. Select Settings from the drop-down menu in the upper right corner. Under the Security tab, choose Two-Step Verification and follow the prompts. Now, to create your wallet, navigate to the Assets tab on the dashboard. Click on Receive next to the cryptocurrency you wish to store. A unique wallet address will be generated for you. Copy the wallet address securely. You can also generate a QR code for easy sharing. To deposit cryptocurrency into your wallet, return to the Assets tab and choose the currency. Select Send, enter the amount, and paste the wallet address you've copied. Review the transaction details before confirmation. Click Confirm to complete the deposit. Once you've added funds, your wallet is ready to use. Explore various options on the platform to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. Regularly check your wallet's balance and transaction history to stay informed. Always keep your recovery phrase secure and do not share it with anyone. This ensures that your wallet remains safe and accessible only to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.